how to find hidden or locked chats on WhatsApp. This is especially helpful if you've hidden sensitive conversations using WhatsApp's new chat lock feature and now want to access them. Let's get right into it. Go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp icon to launch the app. Once you're inside WhatsApp, make sure you're on the Chats tab, which is the default view. This is where all your conversations are listed. Now here's the hidden trick. On the chat screen, swipe down anywhere on the screen. This will reveal a new section at the top called Locked Chats. If you don't see this right away, don't worry. Make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Tap on Locked Chats, and you'll be prompted to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your iPhone passcode, depending on what security setting you have enabled. Once you authenticate, you'll see a list of all your locked chats. These are the conversations that you've manually locked using WhatsApp's privacy feature. And that's it! If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.